Today we continue our lecture with the multiple integration, and our topic is double integration over a general region. Okay, so let's start the example of double integration over a general region. These are the steps and the working rule for the double integral over a general region. The first step is, if the region is bounded by more than one curve, then find the points of intersection of all the curves. Draw all the curves and mark their point of intersection. Identify the region of the integration. Draw a vertical or horizontal strip in the region, whichever make the integration easier. The vertical strip starts from the lowest part of the region and terminates on the highest part of the region. For vertical strip, the lower limit of y is obtained from the curve where the vertical strip starts, and the upper limit of y is obtained from the curve where it terminates. The lower limit of x is obtained from the leftmost point of the region, and the upper limit of x is obtained from the rightmost point of the region. This for the vertical strip. And if you choose a horizontal strip, then it starts from left part of the region and terminates on the right part of the region. For horizontal strip, the lower limit of x is obtained from the curve where the horizontal strip starts, and upper limit is obtained from the curve where it terminates. The lower limit of y is obtained from the lowest point of the region, and upper limit of y is obtained from the highest point of the region. If variation along the strips changes within the region, then the region is divided into the parts. For the better understanding of these points, let's start the example. Our first question is, evaluate double integral e raised to ax plus by dx dy over the triangles bounded by x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and this is ax plus by equal to 1. This is the equation of line, right? So let's start the solution. For the solution, I'm starting with the graph first. This is my y-axis. This one is my x-axis, right? See, here x equal to 0, students. What does it mean? X equal to 0 means it is y-axis, right? X equal to 0 means this is y-axis. Y equal to 0 means they are talking about x-axis. X-axis means y equal to 0. And the equation of line, ax plus by equal to 1. Krupin, please hide your camera. Here, ax plus by equal to 1. This is the equation of line. So, for the line, this line, particular for this line, we want at least 2 points, right? For draw this line, we want at least 2 points. So, let's take x equal to 0. By taking x equal to 0, what is the value of y? Yes, very good. Value of y is 1 upon b. Perfect. Yes, Mohammed, exactly right. By taking x equal to 0, y is 1 upon b. And by taking y equal to 0, x is 1 upon a. So, suppose we have two different points. One point is here, the other point is here. This point is x0, and when x0, y is 1 upon b. x0 and y is 1 upon b. And this point is x1 upon a, right? And y is 0. Okay. So, by taking x equal to 0 and by taking y equal to 0, we have two different points, 0, 1 upon b and 1 upon a, 0. I have drawing this line, and this line indicates ax plus by equal to 1. So, any doubts, students, about this graph? So, by this graph, this is our region, right? This is our region. So, if I This is point A. This point A is origin 0, 0. This point is point B. And this is point Q. Okay, this one is Q. It means the region of this question is bounded by what? The region of this question is bounded by this OPQ part, right? This is our region. Any doubt? See, region is bounded by x equal to 0. X equal to 0. X equal to 0 means this y-axis, right? Y equal to 0 means this x line. And the line is ax plus by, means this line. So my region is bounded by this triangle. So let's start to writing the answer. That is first step. My first step is the region is bounded by triangle OPQ, right? First we decide our region. Next, the integration can be done by any variable first. If you want to do with respect to x, then you can do with respect to x first. And if you want to do with respect to y, then you can do with respect to y first, right? Here, I am drawing a vertical strip. Okay, students, I am taking a vertical strip. Vertical strip means it is parallel to y. It is parallel to y-axis. As it is parallel to y-axis, so first I am doing my integration first with respect to y. Okay, so I am taking vertical strip. So draw a vertical strip AB. This is my vertical strip AB, parallel to vertical strip AB, parallel to y-axis. Okay, it means this vertical strip is starting from the x-axis and terminate on this line. Terminate on this line. This line is what? Ax plus by equal to 1. So limit of y, limits of y, that is y equal to, what is lower limit of y? It is start lower limit of y. From this vertical strip, it ends on this point, right? So on this point, what is y? Y equal to 0. 2. What is it terminates point? In this case, if I take this y as a subject, then y equal to 1 minus ax upon b. Students, got it? This is the most IMP point of this example. Limit of y. What is the limit of y? That is the starting point of this vertical strip, and starting point of this vertical strip is y equal to 0. And end point means its terminating point. What is the terminating point? Terminating point is this line, and this line, if I take y as a subject, then y equal to 1 minus ax upon b. Got it, students? Now, limits of x. For the limit of x, we have to start leftmost point. Leftmost point of the region is what, student? This origin. And the rightmost point of the region is this point. So limit of x, so x equal to 0 to x equal to 1 by a. Okay. Yes, very good, Kushal. Absolutely right. So limit of x 0 to 1 by a. If you have any doubt regarding the limit of y and limit of x, please let me know. It is the most IMP point. Without the understanding of limit, you cannot do any example. Okay. If you have any doubt about the limit, let me know. Limit of x is not understood. Okay, Tanvi. Tanvi, ma'am, please explain upper limit of y. Okay. See, again I'm repeat the limit of y and x. Okay, listen carefully, students. See, here I have taken a vertical strip. Vertical strip that is parallel to y. So first I am taking limit of y because I have choose a vertical strip. So for the limit of y, see this vertical strip is end point. Starting point is a. Starting point a is x-axis. X-axis means y equal to 0. Okay, so my limit of y, my starting point is y equal to 0. And for ending point, so my this vertical strip, this red strip is end on this line, right? It is ending on this line. And from this line, if I take y as a subject, y equal to what, student? 1 minus ax upon b. Okay, so that's why from this point, my starting point y equal to 0. From this point, my ending point of y equal to 1 minus x upon b. And for the x-axis, for the limit of x, regions leftmost point. What is the leftmost point of this region? This is origin. In this case, x is 0 and rightmost point is what? 1 by a0. It means your yam of x is what? 0 to 1 by a. Leftmost point is 0 and rightmost point is 1 by a. Okay, got it? Okay, thank you. Now let's move with the next point. That is, here we have decided our limits of x, right? So the next integration, I equal to limit of x is 0 to 1 by a, limit of y is 0 to 1 minus ax upon b, right? E raised to ax plus by dx dy. But here we have to do our integration first with respect to y. That's why I am taking 0 to 1 by a in the bracket, 0 to 1 minus ax upon b, e raised to ax plus by dy first, then dx. Okay, so the integration of this e raised to ax plus, for the integration of this e raised to ax plus by, if I separate it, e raised to ax into e raised to by, at that time e raised to ax is constant. So by putting 0 to 1 by a, e raised to ax out of the integral, and integration of this e raised to by is e raised to by upon b. And the limits are 0 to 1 minus ax upon b dx. Okay. Now, after substituting the upper limit and lower limit, here, if I take this b as b is constant. So if I put out of the integral here 1 by b, 0 to 1 by a, e raised to ax, right? And here, e raised to b, the value of y is 1 minus ax upon b minus e raised to 0 dx. So here, after substituting the upper limit and lower limit, equal to equal to 1 upon b, and after simplification 0 to 1 by a, e raised to ax, here e minus e raised to ax. After simplification, you may check by yourself, right? And after the integration of this term, see, it will be cancelled. See, after simplification, this, sorry. Okay. So, with the integration of, with respect to x, 1 by b, e raised to x minus e raised to ax upon a, 0 to 1 by a, and after substituting the limits, 1 by b, e by a minus e by a plus 1 by a. So our final answer is 1 upon ab. So this one is not most difficult, but the main point of this example is you have to decide your region of the integration and the limits, points of the intersection. That is the main point, students. See this one, this graph and these points are the most IMP. Once you decide correctly these points, the integration is not a difficult task for you, right? So let's move with one more example. That is, evaluate double integration x plus y dx dx dy over the region enclosed by the x equal to 0, x equal to 2, y equal to x, and y equal to x plus 2. Okay, so for that, again we start with the help of the graph first. That is, this is my y-axis, right? This one is x-axis. Okay, so first one, x equal to 0. What does it mean? X equal to 0 means, so here y-axis, right? X equal to 2 means what? There is a line which is passed through x equal to 2. Okay, x equal to 2 means a line passing through x equal to 2, right? The next, y equal to x. What does it mean? Y equal to x means there is a line which passed through this origin. This is y equal to x. Students, for y equal to x, here y and x both are same. It means there is on this line there is points 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, like that, right? Now, next one, y equal to x plus 2. Okay, so for y equal to x plus 2, if I take, see, listen carefully, if I take x equal to 0, for x equal to 0, what is the value of y? For x 0, y is 2. For x equal to 0, y equal to 2. For x equal to minus 2, y is 0, right? So, or particular this line, y equal to x plus 2. For drawing this line, I want minimum 2 point. So for x equal to 0, y is 2. So my first point is this one. For x equal to 0, y is 2. Right? If I take x equal to 2, for x equal to 2, y is 4. So if for x equal to 2, y is 4. Got it? For x equal to 0, y 2. So one point is 0, 2. For x equal to 2, y is 4. So my other point is 2, 4. So if I draw a line passing through the points 0, 2 and 2, 4, right? So this is the equation of y equal to x plus 2. Now, what is the region of the integration that is bounded by this O, P, Q, R. Got it? This is my region of integration. Any doubts, students, about the region of integration? See, this x equal to 0 means this line, y equal to x means this line, x equal to 2 means this line, and y equal to x plus 2 means this line. Got it, no? So this is my region of integration, which is bounded by these 4 lines, x equal to 0, y equal to x equal to 2, and y equal to x plus 2. Okay, so let's start the solution now. Here, the region, my first point, that is the region of integration is OPQR. Okay. Number 2, the point of intersection. The point of intersection, that is for of x equal to 2 and y equal to x plus 2. Okay, for x equal to 2 and y equal to x plus 2, that is y equal to 4. If I put x equal to 2, then y equal to 4, right? So here we have taken a strip parallel to y-axis again. Now let me know, listen carefully again. This is the most IMP point. If I take a vertical strip, parallel to y, take a vertical strip parallel to y-axis means, so limit of y is what, student? For limit of y, this is my starting point. What is the limit of y? Let me know in the chat box. What is the limit of y? This is my starting point. This is my terminating point. Anyone? Very good. Yes, Rehan, perfectly right. Anyone else? Yes, Janil, you are also right. Absolutely correct. Yes, Dev, your first answer is right. No, Bhushan, you are wrong. See, students. Yes, Preyansh, you are also right. Bhushan, you have written 2 to 4, but still. Okay. See, I explained. Yes, Dev, now you are right. Bhushan, see, we have taken vertical strip, right? And for the first, we want to write the limit of y. So limit of y, for the limit of y, you have to check, see, this line is what? Y equal to x. So your starting limit of y is x. And this line is what? Y equal to x plus 2, right? So your end limit of y is x plus 2. And for the limit of x, listen, for the limit of x, you have to check leftmost point and rightmost point of the region. Leftmost point of the region for the x is what? Origin, that is 0. And rightmost point is 2. So for the limit of x, x is 0 to x equal to 2. Okay, got it, students? Anyone have any doubt about the limit of y and x? Yes, Dev, you are correct. Yes, Priyansh. Students, again I repeat, these steps are really important. The afterward steps are easy. You have to do the simple integration 2 times, but this step is really important. Have you any doubt about this step? So here integration is our first limit of x, that is 0 to 2, limit of y, that is x to x plus 2, right? And here x plus y dy dx, right? So 0 to 2 in the bracket, x to x plus 2, here x plus y dy dx. Any doubt about this example, students? Let me know. You got it? The region and value of the limit of the y and x. Okay. I want the response from all of you. Only 10 to 15 students have given response that they have no doubt. Okay. Okay, good. So let's move with the simplification. So after you have to do the simplification of this example by yourself. I am giving the answer of this example, that is 12. Answer of this example is 12. First, you have to do the integration of this function with respect to y first by putting the upper limit x plus 2 minus lower limit x. Whatever answer will come, you have to do the integration with respect to x. At that time, your upper limit is 2 and lower limit is 0. Okay. And your final answer is 12. Tanvi has doubt that Tanvi and Palak explain the limit of y. Okay, okay, no issue. Yes, Tanvi and Palak. See, here we have taken a vertical strip line. So we are taking first limit of y. For the limit of y, this vertical strip starting point is on which line? On which line, Tanvi and Palak? Vertical strip starting point on this line is indicate y is equal to x, right? This line indicates y equal to x. That's why my starting limit is y equal to x, because every time starting limit is bottom and upper limit is on the upper part, right? And end limit, this line indicate y equal to x plus 2. Okay, Tanvi and Palak? See, this line indicate y equal to x, and this line indicate y equal to x plus 2. Now got it, or still have you any doubt about the y? About y? Okay. And for the limit of x, you have to check your region's leftmost point and rightmost point of x. This is your specified region, red part is. And red part's leftmost point is this, and rightmost point is this, right? So leftmost point, from the leftmost point, your axiom is 0. And from the rightmost point, your axiom is 2. That's why your limit of x is 0 to 2. Okay, so let's move with one more example. That is, evaluate double integration y dx dy over the region enclosed by the parabola x square equal to y and the line y equal to x plus 2. Okay, so anyone, what is the graph of this example? X square y, what indicate? The meaning of x square y is what? I expect the response from all of you. Please give me the answer. What is the meaning of x square y? Yes, answers are coming, but still waiting for the more response. I expect the response from all of the students, not from the particular 5 to 10 students. Let me know. I still expect the response by the other students. I observed that the only 10 to 15 students have given the response every time, and the rest of the students are not active. So what is the reason of that? Okay. Yes, good. It means a parabola passing through origin, and yes, okay. Vertical parabola. Many students have given the answer that parabola, but which type of parabola? There are two type of parabola, surrounding to y and surrounding to x. Okay, so your perfect answer should be your parabola is surrounding to y-axis because here x has power 2, right? Students, parabola x square y. It means x square. X has 2 power. It means this is surrounding by x. This is surrounding by y-axis, right? And y equal to x plus 2. What does it mean? If I take x equal to 0, then I have a point y equal to 2. For x equal to 0, I have a point 0, 2, right? By taking x equal to 2, I have y equal to 4. So suppose this point is x2, then y4, right? x2 and y4. So if I draw a line, right? This type of line here, what I want to find, what is the point of intersection? Okay, for that, let's take a solution. If I give this point is P, I don't know what is the point of this. This is O and this is Q, right? So let's start the solution. The region is bounded by, POQ, right? Here, x square is equal to y and y equal to x plus 2. So if I substitute y as x square, then x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. By substituting y as x square, here x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So the factors are x minus 2, x plus 1. So the roots are 2 and minus 1, right? So x equal to 2 and minus 1. So here, if I substitute x is equal to minus 1, by substituting x equal to minus 1, okay, what is the value of y? Value of y is 1. So this point is minus 1, 1. Now got it? This point is, I want to find this point P, and this point is minus 1, 1. Okay. So points of intersections are points of intersection are 2 points. One is minus 1, 1 and the second one is 2, 4, right? This one is P point and this one is Q point. Okay, so this is this one is my region. This is my region. If I take a vertical strip again, if I take a vertical strip, okay, now listen carefully. For this vertical strip, my vertical strip's bottom part, this part, bottom part, is on the curve, y equal to x square, right? And upper part on the line, y equal to x plus 2. So my bottom part is y equal to x square and upper part is y equal to x plus 2. It means the limits of y are, by take a vertical strip, right, AB, and by taking vertical strip, the limit of y, I have to write limit of y first, y equal to x square, my bottom part, and y equal to x plus 2, my upper part, and limit of x. For the limit of x, see, what you have to find? You have to find, see, this is the most IMP point. For the limit of x, your leftmost point of your region's leftmost point, that is this, and your region's rightmost point. Your leftmost point, what is the x-axis? -1. And rightmost point, what is the x-axis? Axiom 2, right? For the leftmost point, axiom is -1, and rightmost point, your axiom is 2. It means limit of x, your leftmost point, that is your starting point, and that is x equal to -1, and rightmost point, that is x equal to 2. One minute, student, there is a technical error. I'm not able to write here. So this point is really most important point. You have to decide the leftmost point for the x-axis starting point and rightmost point for the x-axis ending point, right? So there is something technical error. I am not able to write my axiom on this. Okay. Now x equal to -1 to x equal to 2. Now got it, students? Limit of x and limit of y and limit of x. It means for the integration, here -1 to 2, here x square to x plus 2. Okay. And our integral is y dx dy. So this is y dx dy. But first we have to do our integration first with respect to y, because we have taken vertical strip. If you wish, you may take a horizontal strip also, right? If you choose a horizontal strip, then you have to do the integration first with respect to x, then with respect to y. Okay. After integration, your final answer is 36/5. Please note down, you have to do the integration by yourself. It is an easy integration. Okay. So any doubt about the limit of the exam, about this question? Have you any doubt, students? For the limit of y and limit of x or the region, let me know. Very good. Good. Okay. Very good. Answers are coming that they have no doubt. Very good, students. So let's take, as we have less time, but see, this is one example. I am giving hint as we have less time. So please do these example by yourself. If you have any query, let me ask through call or through Telegram, right? So please take a screenshot of this example. I'm giving the final answer of this example. Please note down. Final answer is 448. Final answer of this question is 448. In this question, your region is enclosed by the rectangular hyperbola xy equal to 60, y equal to x, y equal to 0, and x equal to 8. In this first quadrant, right? So this is y equal to x, means this line pass through the origin, y equal to x, right? Then x equal to 8, means one line pass through x equal to 8, and the main thing is xy equal to 16. That is the parabola. If you put x equal to 4, you got y equal to 4, right? So 1.44 is the intersection